So now we're going to take a quick look at how to plot functions using the data type list. So let's define a function here, and let's do a polynomial. So y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3. So now I have my function. And then to plot, well, I need the matplotlib thing. And then what? Well, when I use the plot command, I need my x-axis and I need the corresponding y values. So let's just call x the x-axis. And as a list, I'll put some points here. And now I get to choose the points. So I can only plot at a finite number of points since I'm working with a computer here. So let's do the points n divided by 10 for n in range 0 to 11. Okay, so then I can print my x's here. Oops, I gave this the wrong name. So I'm getting 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, up to 1.0. And now let's put the y values that I want to have. And now I can kind of use the flexibility of Python a little bit here. So I can then put f of x for all the values inside of x here. So I just can call it for x in x. I could do f of n for n in x, or f of a for a in x. And here I just choose to do f of x for x in x. Now I'm getting all the corresponding x values. And by doing it in this way, I'm also making sure that the length of this list is exactly the same as the length of this list. So each x value will correspond to one y value, or will give one y value. And now I can do plt plot x, comma y, and then I get this portion of the graph. Of course, I'm just plotting two lists here. So if I do this, as we did with sequences, I'm getting the actual dots that we're plotting. And if I do both now, so plt plot x comma y, just like this, then I'm getting here a plot where I see the actual values that I'm plotting. These are the dots. And then you can see that Python is just drawing a line between these dots. And this gives me the illusion of having drawn the graph. So in reality, we're plotting a guess of what Python is thinking that the function looks like, which is dangerous because sometimes he makes the wrong guess.